Hello, it's Thursday, December 8th, and I'm Emily Douglas with MaxiForex Daily News. The dollar was inconsistent against the major currencies after a German government official said Chancellor Angela Merkel's government is more pessimistic on the outcome of a European Union leaders' summit in Brussels beginning tomorrow, causing the markets to be very volatile. In addition, Wall Street erased an earlier loss in the final hour of trading after Nikkei reported that the group of 20 nations is considering a $600 billion international monetary fund lending program to halt Europe's debt crisis. In the end, the S&P 500 increased by 0.2% and the Dow Jones by 0.38%. Crude oil weakened by 0.8%, closing at $100.49 a barrel, and gold increased by 0.8%, finishing at $1,740.90 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims are expected to decline from 402,000 to 397,000. The euro was unstable against the dollar as European leaders were unclear during the session about the conclusions regarding solving the region's debt crisis, causing investors to be very suspicious about the Eurozone's solution. The euro-US dollar has been straggling around the 133.60, 134.20 level in the past 2 days. The next resistance level on the 1-hour chart is located at 134.60, and breaking this level will probably lead the pair upwards. Overall, the euro-US dollar traded with a low of 133.51 and with a high of 134.53. Today, the interest rate decision is expected to be released unchanged at 1.25%, according to an ECB press conference. The pound rose against the dollar at the end of the U.S. session amidst rumors that the G20 is considering a $600 billion solution for European countries, drifting risky assets to be more attractive. As long as the Great Britain pound US dollar is trading above the 156.50 level, the pound continues to be bullish. The next resistance level is located at 157.50, and if the pair break up this level, we'll probably see it rising upwards of 158. Overall, the Great Britain pound US dollar traded with a low of 155.94 and with a high of 157.24. Today, an interest rate decision is expected to be released unchanged at 0.5%, according to an MPC rate statement. The yen slightly strengthened versus the US dollar and euro as investors bought the currency as a refuge investment after inconclusive declarations from the leaders gave the yen its revenue. The US dollar Japanese yen's trend is positive above the 77.20 level, and as long as the pair is trading above it, the dollar could continue to rise. Overall, the US dollar Japanese yen traded with a low of 77.62 and with a high of 77.79. Today, final GDP is expected to be released at 1.2% versus 1.5% prior. The Canadian dollar closed almost unchanged versus the dollar as renewed concern that Europe's sovereign debt crisis will worsen spurred an increase in risk aversion among investors. As long as the pair is trading below the 101.40 level, the US dollar's momentum is negative. The next support level on the 1-hour chart is located at 100.60, and breaking this level will probably cause the pair to continue to decline towards 100 or even more. Overall, the US dollar Canadian dollar traded with a low of 100.65 and with a high of 101.33. Today, housing starts are expected to become 203,000 versus 208,000 previously, and NHPI is expected at 0.3% versus 0.2% prior. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, please visit us at MaxiForex.ru for all your online trading needs. I'm Emily Douglas, wishing you happy trading.